Okay, so today I'm going to take a look at the latest generative upscale tool here in Photoshop. I never tested it out, so today we're going to do that. So I'm going to use this image for the reference, and of course this is downscaled to 2300. So we got something to work with. I don't want to upscale all the image. For example, probably I'm just going to upscale this model here. So what I'm going to do is select the marquee tool, the rectangle marquee tool, and I'm just going to select this area here. Press Ctrl C, and then let's go to File, New, and here it is going to copy paste the width and the size of this corrupt copied image. So I'm going to go with the default here. Click on Create, and let's press Ctrl V. I'm also going to merge it, and from here let's upscale this. Let's go to Image and select Generative Upscale. And I think we get a couple of new options here. So here we got the settings, face recovery, and it says it recovers details in blurry or low res faces. In our situation, we're going to check the box. And here we got the scale. So we got like 2x, and here at the example, you're going to see the dimension of it. Or we got the 4x. And pretty much this is the max it's gonna do from a really low 600x resolution that we got. So here we got the modes also, and right now it's on Topaz Gigapixel. You also got the Topaz Bloom, add new creative detail. This is really interesting. Probably gonna check this out a little bit later. And then Firefly Upscale restores low res images. So we're gonna check these both right now. Let's go with the Topaz Gigapixel. Let's click on Upscale. By the way, this is going to use your credits. Just take that in mind. So before checking this out, we're going to go to the credits here. You can go to the upper right corner at your profile. And then here we got the premium features, which are basically the generative AI features. And I had like 4,000 credits. Anyways, let's take a look at this. I mean, it is going to make it like more smooth. It repainted the whole thing. And as you can see here, if I upscale this area, it's really sharp and the rest is blurry and it's basically an AI slop. You can find like other details like on the jacket, on the leather jacket, that actually this is good. And then you can see the facial area, which is a little bit more repainted. I think the eye looks pretty good. Let's see the original one. So it did a decent job. And for the last example, we're going to test out actually a banner. And this time we're not talking about raster images only, we're talking about vector shapes, fonts, and other perfectly made geometrical shapes. So let's take a look how it's going to upscale that. Here we got a 1080p image. Let's go to Image and 4x, really high resolution. Let's see what happens. So now we got the results. Actually, this is the max size. So it seems like it managed to upscale it, but the resolution is, I don't know, it's bad, but it's fixed. But it did a pretty good job. Let's see the images. Yeah, so you can see the difference. Let's see the rest of it before and after. So it did a pretty decent job. Is it perfect? No. Vectors are perfect, so seems like AI cannot do perfect stuff here. But at least I tested to see the full potential. So pretty much that's it. Let me know where you're going to use this feature here in Photoshop, and see you on the next one.